Before we jump into prebiotic rich foods, I want to just point out here that there are some amazing recipes with probiotic and prebiotic content in your Nutrition Basics handout. Some of these great options include parfaits and strawberry kefir smoothies, paleo sauerkraut salad. If you click on these links, you can go directly to the recipes. Baked miso maple ginger salmon, chicken kimchi soup, vegan tempeh egg rolls, sparkling cranberry kombucha mocktails, and natto miso soup. One note about kombucha is that I see a lot of people saying that they're having kombucha before bedtime. You should not do that because kombucha has black tea or some sort of caffeinated tea in it pretty much all the time. I've never seen an exception. So don't do that. But this would be a great, afternoon mocktail. So just keep that in mind. And then these are also all great recipes to look at and consider adding into your diet, and probably, hopefully you would really enjoy them because they're all very flavorful and fun and hopefully accessible as well. So now let's talk about 8 prebiotic rich foods to feed your gut. Prebiotic foods are packed with dietary fiber, and that feeds your beneficial gut bacteria. So every time you eat a different fruit or vegetable or fiber, a different type of fiber from a different food, you are feeding, preferentially, different types of bacteria in your gut. So you eat food and your gut eats the fiber. And that's why it's important to have an appropriate amount of fiber in your diet, because your gut microbiome feeds off of it. So the more variety you have in your diet of fiber, the better you're gonna feel. You're gonna feel so much better. Your bloating is gonna go down. You might have a little period where your body's adjusting. So keep that in mind. When you're starting to introduce some more foods into your diet, you might feel at first like, wow, this is kind of crazy, like this is a little hard to do, and then eventually your body will just need it, and this will be foundational to just the way that you eat and the way that you live. So Jerusalem artichokes, are known as sunchokes, are part of the sunflower family. A 100-gram serving contains 2 grams of prebiotic fiber inulin. They can be eaten cooked or raw. Asparagus is a popular veggie loaded with antioxidants and soluble fiber, supporting your immune and digestive health. Onions are a versatile veggie that is rich in prebiotic fiber, inulin, and FOS, which promote healthy digestion. Garlic, flavorful herb, is packed with immune-boosting benefits, but its prebiotic fiber also promotes the growth of bifidobacteria in the gut. Pretty cool. Bananas. Green, unripe bananas are high in resistant starch, which acts as a food for your friendly gut bacteria. Ripe yellow bananas have this fiber as well, but in smaller amounts. So go for those green, more on the green edge of banana color if you can stand it. Hickory root. Oh, I love hickory root. Is part of the dandelion family, is packed with prebiotic fiber inulin, is coffee-like in taste, and makes it a great option for those looking to cut out caffeine. I love Frontier and Monterey Bay. Also, dandelion greens have a bitter, spicy kick similar to arugula and are packed with prebiotic fiber. And then beans and legumes have prebiotic fibers as well. To enhance their digestibility though and prevent gas, always soak the dried beans overnight and cook them well. So prebiotic rich recipes: roasted Jerusalem artichokes, lemon garlic roasted asparagus, roasted garlic mashed cauliflower, gluten-free French onion soup, spinach, banana, and peanut butter smoothie, roasted hickory root coffee alternative, dandelion green salad with balsamic, and easy 3-bean chili. So I bet you didn't know that it was so easy to get all of this fiber into your diet in such a delicious way, but hopefully adding these foods into your diet will help you feel so much better, feed your good bacteria, and give you all of the food you need to boost your gut health.